What is the legal limit in Indiana? That's actually not as easy of a question as you might think. In Indiana, it's a crime to drive at .08 BAC. What the heck does that mean? If you're driving at a .08 or above, it starts as a C misdemeanor, punishable by 60 days in jail and or a $500 fine. If you drive at .15 BAC, that's actually an A misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail and or a $5,000 fine. But that's not the end of the story. Indiana also has another legal limit, and that's called the relevant evidence of intoxication. What the heck does that mean? Well, .05, .06, and .07, while it's not illegal to drive at those levels, a prosecutor can actually say, hey, the person driving at .05, .06, and .07 is called the relevant evidence of intoxication. So that can actually be used against you at trial. Additionally, you could actually be perhaps .03, but if you mix medication or illegal substances with the .03, Indiana defines intoxication as alcohol, drugs and alcohol, legal or illegal, or any combination thereof. So again, .03, but you're also on Vicodin, the state can also say, well, hey, you're intoxicated because of that combination. To even further complicate matters, you could actually have no alcohol in your system and you can have prescription medication. And then if you get pulled over for driving badly on prescription medication, a lot of different factors can come into play. How bad was the driving? Did you hurt anybody? Is there a prescription for the medication? Is it a current prescription? Is the amount of medication in your system, is that measure out with what accepted scientific norms is? So are you abusing that medication? So simply having a prescription for medication does not necessarily save you from a DUI. There's lots of little differences and lots of little issues with legal limits in Indiana. If you have any questions, give us a call, 317-632-3642. And always plead the fifth.